Leadership skills. What are leadership skills? Leadership is not about being the best. Leadership is about making everyone else better. Sheryl Sandberg. Everyone has some level of leadership skills. Here are 4 tips to help you become a good leader. 1. Identify strengths. Understand each group member's skills and interests in order to assign tasks effectively. Communicate expectations. Explain tasks, goals, and deadlines clearly to ensure that everyone is on the same page. 3. Promote teamwork. Encourage working together and be supportive of everyone's abilities if needed. 4. Monitor and recognize. Track progress, provide feedback, and celebrate the group's achievements together. Be ready to listen and learn. If you consider yourself a full part of the team, this will encourage other members to feel more confident and more ready to contribute. For example, ask them, how would you approach this? Being a leader means it's likely you'll have to delegate, divide tasks for others to complete. Delegate, dividing. When it comes to dividing up tasks, fairness can get complicated. Remember that the point isn't for everyone to be doing the same tasks, or even for everyone to be doing the same number of tasks. The goal is for everyone to be able to contribute in a meaningful way without feeling overburdened or too stressed out. Delegate and task sharing activities. You can improve on your skills by working on a group project for school, college, or university, sharing household chores at home, working together on a voluntary or charity activity, collaborating on a creative project. For further support, please contact us. post@profi.cymru. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.